Looking to take your affiliate marketing game to new heights? Well, look no further. The Ambassador program has got everything you need, all packed up in a neat little package. First off, we've got an evergreen webinar funnel that's super cool and converts like crazy. And that's not all. There's also a high converting opt-in page and a free report branded with your affiliate link. Every time a subscriber registers for the webinar through your link, you get a piece of the pie. It's like having your own personal cash register that keeps ringing. And it gets even better with the Ambassador program. Imagine having the power to recruit your own team of affiliates, all working to make you even more money. Picture yourself using a JV page that does all the recruiting for you, making you a hefty 50% commission on all the profits your recruits generate. It's like your own personal army of moneymakers. And let's not forget about the 9-part email follow-up sequence and the video training series. These are the secret weapons you need to make the most of this opportunity. And we haven't even talked about the traffic trifecta module yet. This is your secret weapon to drive loads of quality traffic to your funnels. Top that off with guest posting opportunities, a 99-day follow-up email sequence, and second-tier commissions, and you're all set for success. So why wait? Join the Ambassador program today by clicking the link below. Your affiliate marketing future is waiting.